pleased to say that both parties in Congress are already hard at work on this plan, and I hope to sign it into law in less. Nominee should be seated without rigorous evaluation and hearing. I expect nothing less. Within a decade, we'll spend $1 out of every 5 we earn on health care, and we'll keep getting less for our money. And that's why my administration will accept no less than real and lasting change to the way business is done, on Wall Street and in Washington. As a result, small businesses are much less likely to offer health insurance. And right now, they are paying up to 18% more for the very same insurance plans as larger businesses because they have higher administrative costs and less bargaining power. Commander-in-Chief, I won't settle for anything less. In order to keep growing, we need to spend less, save more, and get our federal deficit under control. Target the abuses we've seen and leave us less exposed to the kind of breakdown we just experienced. They would bring new transparency and accountability to the financial market. In short, once I sign health insurance reform into law, doctors and patients will have more control over their health care decisions, and insurance company bureaucrats will have less. 1 in 10 Americans still can't find work, and millions more are working harder and longer for less. Our mission isn't just to grow the economy. It's to grow jobs for folks who want them, and ensure with millions of people out of work and millions of families facing hardship, folks are paying less in taxes while seeking more services, like unemployment benefits. Doctors and patients will have more control over their health care decisions, and insurance company bureaucrats will have less. This, beyond the economic statistics, is a less tangible but no less painful reality. Unless we take action, unless we step up, there are countless children who will never realize their full talent and potential. One thing we have not done is raise income taxes on families making less than $250,000 a year. And what is at stake is no less than the integrity of our democracy. They will soon pay less for health care. We are seeing retirees realize they'll be able to keep the way the system is currently set up. These banks are at a disadvantage because while they often play by the rules, many of their less scrupulous competitors are not playing by the rules. It will also mean the doctors can catch things earlier, so treatment may be less invasive and less expensive.